So I decided to make a video because there really wasn't much information online I could find about this. But this is my Minute Mount 2 9-foot plow fisher. And I had a bad motor on it. So I just went to the store and got a new one. But basically the symptoms were you would turn the plow on and you would try to raise it or move it or anything and it would just click. And the wires would actually like heat up and start smoking. And then it would just click. So this is, I removed the motor and it's just 2 screws that go through the whole thing. So I'm going to clean this up. I'll show you guys. This is the old one. It's completely cooked. And just got to clean this area up, put the new one on. Just pick this up. So I'm just going to clean this surface up a little bit. So I cleaned it up best I could. Now I'm going to try to put the motor on. Let's see. So this is going to go. Okay, so it just sits on there, and there's 2 screws that will tighten it down. Don't want to go too tight, it's just aluminum. So there we go, that's installed. Just got to put the wires back on and try her out. So I've got everything hooked back up. Moment of truth. I got the controller. Nice. Huh. No more smoking wires. That is awesome.